students, my name is Iris France, 我叫连婉如. Today I'm going to show you how to use the midpoint formula to calculate price elasticity of demand. I'm going to derive the formula for you first, and then we're going to look at a numerical example. So here we go. Price elasticity of demand, ED, by definition, is equal to percentage change in quantity demanded divided by percentage change in price. And we're going to use the midpoint formula to calculate percentage change in quantity demanded as well as the percentage change in price. So suppose your price goes up from P1 to P2, your quantity demanded goes down from Q1 to Q2. Then our percentage change in quantity demanded would be Q2 minus Q1 divided by the midpoint of Q2 and Q1. So Q2 plus Q1 divided by 2. And your percentage change in price is equal to P2 minus P1 divided by the midpoint of P2 and P1. As a result, your price elasticity of demand, percentage change in quantity demanded divided by percentage change in price is equal to this guy here divided by this guy. And we know that it's a fraction of fraction, which is kind of annoying. But luckily, you learned in middle school, if you have A over B divided by C over D, then that's just equal to A over B times D over C. So here we're going to use exactly the same method. We have percentage change in quantity demanded divided by percentage change in price. And that's equal to percentage change in quantity demanded multiplying by the reciprocal of percentage change in price. You can see that is a reciprocal here. And then the next is that we're going to cross out a half. And then you have the final formula. Your price elasticity of demand is equal to Q2 minus Q1 over Q2 plus Q1 times P2 plus P1 over P2 minus P1. So that's your final formula. And we are going to take the absolute value. Why is that? Due to the law of demand, you know that if the price goes up, quantity demand is going to go down. And therefore, your price elasticity of demand is always going to be either a negative number or a zero. So if it's always going to be negative or zero, why not save us some trouble? Just take the absolute value and we only have to pay attention to the magnitude. So here's the formula. Next, we're going to look at an example. Now that we have derived the formula of price elasticity of demand, we are ready to take a look at a numerical example. Suppose the price of coffee goes up from $2 per cup to $6 per cup. And your quantity demanded goes down from 4 cups per day to 2 cups per day. Then your beginning price, P1, is $2. Ending price, $6, is P2. Beginning quantity, 4, is Q1. Ending quantity, 2, is Q2. So your price elasticity of demand, ED, is equal to Q2 minus Q1 over Q2 plus Q1 times P2 plus P1 over P2 minus P1. Take the absolute value and we're going to plug in the numbers here. So you have 2 minus 4 over 2 plus 4 times 6 plus 2 over 6 minus 2. Take the absolute value and after you calculate that, you'll get 0.67 and there's no unit. Your price elasticity of demand within this range is equal to 0.67. 0.67 means within this price range, if your price goes up by 1%, then the quantity demanded is going to go down by 0.67%. So this is how to use the midpoint formula to calculate the price elasticity of demand. I hope this helps. I'll see you next time.